Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code theme which is very much popular. If you go to extensions tab, just type this neon city. This is the theme that I'm talking about, and it's very popular. You can see it having 30,000 installs. So it's a premium classy theme for VS Code. So if you just activate this will look something like this. So it will add this nice little blue background. So if you like this syntax highlighting, you can definitely use it. I personally use it a lot. It's a simple, bright theme. The color combination purple is also looking good. So it's called Neon City's free theme, but it's premium as well. So you can definitely use it. Thank you very much, and also check out my website, freemediatools.com.